How to see 2025 YouTube recap. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for YouTube. Make sure the YouTube application is updated to its latest version in order to be able to use all the latest features of YouTube. Now, go ahead and open your preferred browser. For instance, I will open Safari. Now, tap on the search bar there and search for youtube.com/recap. Further, in the interface that you will be led to, you will see the option for Open YouTube. So tap on the Open YouTube option you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on Open again. And now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see your YouTube recap. YouTube recap is YouTube's yearly summary showing your top to watch videos, your top creators, your top music artists and songs if you have YouTube Music. It also shows your total watch time and your unique recap moods along with your personalized playlist. You can also go ahead and tap on the download option you see there if you want to download your YouTube recap, or you can tap on the share option you see there if you want to share your YouTube recap with your friends or family. So this is how you can see 2025 YouTube recap. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.